Austin's house. He's currently in the process of doing a solid axle swap on his, what year's your truck?
99.
On a 99 Ranger with a 3-point slow that's probably going to blow up.
Will blow up.
And his trans, that'll probably blow up too.
Yeah.
We're going to try and re-gear it. We both have never put gears in rear ends or front ends or anything like that. And then hopefully this weekend he'll come over, let me borrow his impact, and we'll try to get the crank bolt off my LS, which I haven't told anyone about, but yeah, working on putting an LM7 in my 91 300Z Extra Turbo. So that should be pretty cool. Plenty of video to do on that. So, we got Whiskey here, who won't stop licking me. Update, there's a snap torque spit in the front half of the axle. Somewhere. So now we're just going to take it out from here and pull the whole front axle assembly out in hopes that that works. Alright, so taking off the drive shaft, back's unbolted. There's a torque spit stuck in the front half, so we're just going to have to drop it with the whole front diff. Currently working on unbolting that. What size is it?
13 and a 21.
It's a 13 and a 21, so not a whole lot of meat there. But so far so good. Got a big wrench on it. It's going good. He'll probably break his knuckle at least 4 times, but be good. Stuck in there?
Yeah, the bushings are holding it in.
Oh. Dude, she's gonna roll right out.
Oh yeah. Yeah, everyone stand clear. Even though I'm the only one under here.
Don't worry, we have plank.
What about Whiskey?
Just go down slow. She's back here.
Okay.
Is that bushing stuck on that side?
No, it looks free.
Alright, it should come out. Let me make sure there's no wires or anything. Oh, hang on, there's a breather tube.
Don't worry about it, just rip her out. It's a breather tube, just rip her.
Well, where does it go?
I don't know.
Oh, that's what this little clip is for.
Oh.
Hey, your breather tubes work better when you pull the cap off.
No, it's a valve.
Sweet, dude.
Hey, Whiskey.
That's high quality stuff right there.
Hi, Whiskey. Whiskey.
Had no idea that the breather tube actually has like a one-way valve on it.
Whoa! That was the only thing holding it up.
Really? Did it just
Kinda
drop?
like when you're pulling a motor and you got that one tiny little wire stuck on there.
Yeah, the one that somehow doesn't break, but if you break, your engine won't start. Yeah, that one?
Alright, let her down.
Illinois.
Is that good pinion angle?
Yeah, that's mint. I think that's up to spec.
Hang on, let me pry back here.
So stop.
Whoa!
Okay.
There she goes.
Alright, let her down.
I'm holding your dog so no one dies. Also, the dog don't die. Alright.
Alright, for sale 99 Ford Ranger. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, center section. Never been used. Mint condition.
Low mileage.
Low mileage.
Never beat, always babied.
She's out.
Never been off-roaded.
Hey! Turns out I know what I'm doing. Well,
Front end's gutted.
now we're done.
Now we're done. Step 1, done. Step
Just
2.
to think, this was the easy part.
Step 2.
All the crap out. Now I have to build everything.
Yep.
Is it done yet?
Alright.
Alright, so, pretty much everything's out. It's, ready to be cut and welded. So, yeah. Clean up some other day because not tonight, right? Yeah.
Yeah.